effect on the resultant expression. So this limit can be interchanged. So m will go from 0 to capital N minus 1 x of m e to the power minus j twice by n minus m k over n. So now expanding this exponential in two parts, we get summation x of m e to the power minus j twice by k capital N over n times e to the power j twice by km over n, where m goes from 0 to capital N minus 1. So this 2n cancels each other out, and we get m which goes from 0 to capital N minus 1 x of m e to the power minus j twice by k e to the power j twice by km over n. Obviously, as we have shown earlier, this value will always yield to 1. So we get summation where m goes from 0 to n minus 1 x of m e to the power j twice by km over n. Let us mark it as equation number 1. Now what we are going to do is multiply both sides of the equation by 1. So multiplying equation by the integer 1, which apparently seems quite a silly thing to do, because for why should we do that? What good it will make us? But if you look closely, we can write 1 to be equal to e to the power minus j twice by n m over n, because when this 2n cancels each other out, the equation becomes minus j twice by m, which is something like the form of this expression, and this value will always be equal to 1. So multiplying 1 in the left hand side, this remains as it is, dft of x of capital N minus n, whereas the right hand side becomes m which goes from 0 to n minus 1 x of m e to the power minus j twice by capital N m over n times e to the power j twice by km over n. So I have multiplied this term over here. So now if we are to multiply these two expression, we get summation m goes from 0 to capital N minus 1 x of m e to the power minus j twice by m n minus k over capital N. And this is nothing but the Fourier transform of x of capital N minus k, because the value of k here is n minus k. Earlier the value of k here, it was simply k. So it is quite mathematically correct to write this expression. So simply we can write dft of x of n minus n will give us the value x of n minus k. That means a time reverse signal in the time domain will also result in a frequency reverse signal in the frequency domain. This is our time reversal property.